To whom much is given, much is always expected. And in as much these Chinese suppliers people do think they are wiser than us, we the Nigerians and we the Africans will definitely show them that we as the buyer are also more wiser. All right. So welcome back to the channel. Get to meet me. This is Zion of Logistics and my name is Samuel Joshua. So in today's tutorial, I have something simple and a very interesting topic that we really need to discuss today. So we are going to be talking much better on how to deal with a stubborn supplier on generally all the Chinese web. This is what we are going to be talking much more better on today. So let's get started. So in a very interested session now, the first one we are going to be looking at is how to report your Chinese supplier on 168. We need to deal with these people because they are they think they are more wiser than us, right? So I'm going to be showing you different ways you can use to deal with these suppliers. It's not as if we are blackmailing anybody's business, but we need to deal with them because this is our business. If you are into full-time mini importation business, you will understand what I'm really saying. Because if you have been in this business and you understand the fact that these people are also scammers, we have scammers out of them, because some people will just collect your money for nothing. You just enter their DM, shut them up, nothing to be delivered. They will fail to deliver these products for you and you will shut them. You will even ask for a refund. They will not refund your money. So I'm going to be showing you different segments to deal with them. All right. So the first one we are going to be looking at today is what? Reporting their profile. Now, the general topic is how to report a seller's profile, both on 168, on Taobao, on Pindodo, on Idlefish, on any website, any Chinese shopping website. The first method is how you can report them. Now, we have there are different segments you can use to report a seller to the management. Most especially, let me use a case study of 168. All right. Now, 168 have their seller and buyers authority and they have their rights. If you buy a item from a store and the supplier has failed to deliver your product, you have the right to enter 168 store to report this profile. How do you do this? Once you get to your profile on your 168, you will see something like, I'll try to add it in the picture of this video. You will see something like earpiece, like headset. All right, this is where to click on to report a seller's profile. That is the first one. And secondly, another method you can use to report a seller is to also enter the supplier's shop or the supplier store. You can also use this method to report their profile. They have customer services. Each store on 168, any Chinese website, they have their own store and customer service. Enter the store, make inquiry, tell their customer service that you have already placed an order and this order has failed. They will tell you what to do and they will tell you what and when to deliver your product. This is two methods. The first one is lodging the complaint to 168 management, right? The second one that I've said is entering that store of that same supplier, entering their store, their shop where they have everything listed. That is the second one. Going to the third one have to do with their comment section. If you are a follower, if you have been following my videos, I will tell you that before you buy any item on 160, check the reviews. That is why the reviews are there. If the item is very, very good and nice, then check the set of people that give them a bad review. That means is a red warning for you not to buy that product. But if you've already purchased this product, go to that review, comment in there, make a bad review there. So other peoples that are coming behind you to buy from their store will also pause. They will not buy that product. That's the first one. Secondly, the seller, which is your supplier, will be prompted to enter your DM to complain about what is going on and why you are giving their store a bad review. So he will be prompted to go to your DM, settled the issue he is presently having with you. Once they ask you the reason, you will say, okay, this is what happened, this is what happened, this is what happened. And he will be very happy to attend to you because you are spoiling their business under the review session. That is the third one. Now, going to the fourth one. This is the last one that I'm going to be teaching you today because you don't know, I think nearly average people will understand this last one that I'm about to teach you. Now, when you are chatting with your supplier, all right, you believe that the supplier and you only have access to that chat. No, there are other people monitoring the conversation, which have to do with the 1688 management. Once you clicked on, or let me say you type, you can either type, I will report your store, or I will report this conversation, or you can easily type, I will report this transaction. There will be a icon to click where you can also automatically report this transaction that you are doing, that the supplier has failed to deliver what you promised and you have already been paid. Even when you ask for refund, they don't refund you. So automatically you see something like blue, or I don't know the color now. Click on it. It will automatically lodge that transaction and the conversation between you and your supplier. It will lodge it to the 1688 customer service. It will lodge it for them, and automatically they will know that something is fishy. So they will be prompted, this 1688 management will be prompted to go to the supplier store. Once they enter the supplier store, they will message, is either they send a mail or they send a direct message to the supplier. What is going on between you and so supplier? We overheard your conversation between you and him. So they will send a warning to the supplier to go and deliver and settle with you. So these are things you don't get to know. These are 4 steps that I've been able to tell you today. And please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why are you not subscribing? Please, I beg you, go and subscribe. All right. So these are 4 different methods you can use to report a seller which has failed to deliver what you guys agreed on while you paid the supplier, and also the 4 method you can also use to blackmail them. All right, I hope you have been able to gain 1 or 2 things from this tutorial today. Thank you for watching to the very end. I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.